Today I'm going to be telling you mind-blowing facts about space. So get yourself comfortable and relaxed. So the first fact, there's a giant cloud of alcohol in space near the center of the Milky Way in a region called Sagittarius B2. Astronomers have detected vast amounts of ethyl alcohol, the same type of alcohol found in beer and liquor. This cloud is 1,000 times the diameter of our solar system and contains enough alcohol to make 400 trillion pints of beer. Neutron stars are insanely heavy. Neutron stars are the collapsed remnants of massive stars that exploded in supernovae. Despite being only about 10 miles in diameter, about the size of a city, they pack more mass than our sun. This makes them the densest objects in the universe, excluding black holes. A single teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh about 1 billion tons, or about the equivalent of 3 billion elephants. There's a planet made of diamonds. 55 Cancri is an exoplanet about 40 light years away. It orbits a star richer in carbon than our sun, meaning its core and crust may be composed largely of diamond and graphite instead of rock and metal. Scientists estimate that if this planet is indeed carbon rich, it could be worth quadrillions of dollars, but mining it would be a bit challenging. If you fell into a black hole, time would slow down for you. This is called gravitational time dilation, a concept from Einstein's theory of relativity. As you approach a black hole's event horizon, the point of no return, the intense gravity stretches time. outside observer's perspective, you would appear to slow down and freeze in time before ever actually crossing the event horizon. Meanwhile, from your own perspective, time would seem normal as you plunge into the abyss. There's a water world exoplanet, the GJ1214b, located 48 light years away. This is a mini Neptune with an atmosphere dominated by water vapor. Unlike Earth, which has lands and oceans, this exoplanet could be a true water world with no solid surface at all. Due to extreme pressures, it might also contain exotic water forms like hot ice, ice that stays solid despite high temperatures, and also superfluid water which flows without friction. The largest volcano in the solar system is on Mars. Mars is home to Olympus Mons, a volcano that stands about 72,000 feet, 22 kilometers tall, making it 3 times higher than Mount Everest. Its base is about the size of France. Unlike Earth's volcanoes, Olympus Mons was able to grow so large because Mars lacks plate tectonics, meaning lava built up in one spot for millions of years. We are technically moving at 1.3 million miles an hour. Even when you're sitting still, you're actually zooming through space at breakneck speeds. Earth orbits the Sun at 67,000 miles per hour. The Sun orbits the Milky Way at 514,000 miles per hour. And the Milky Way itself moves through space at 1.3 million miles per hour toward the Andromeda galaxy. But we do not feel this motion because everything around us moves at the same speed. There might be more stars in the universe than grains of estimate that the observable universe contains about 200 billion trillion stars. That's 2 times 10 to the power of 23. Meanwhile, Earth's beaches and deserts contain roughly 7.5 times 10 to the power of 18 grains of sand. That means there are about 1,000 times more stars than all the sand grains on Earth. And that's only the observable universe. The total number could be even bigger. You could survive for about 15 seconds in space without a spacesuit. If you found yourself floating in space with no suit, you would not instantly explode as movies often show. Instead, here's what would actually happen. You would lose consciousness in about 15 seconds due to lack of oxygen. Your body fluids would start to boil because of low pressure, but it would not be instant death. Your body temperature would drop, but freezing would take minutes rather than seconds. If someone rescued you within about 90 seconds, you could potentially survive. Some exoplanets rain molten glass or metal. The exoplanet HD 1897333b, about 64 light years away, is an absolute nightmare world. It is a gas giant with winds blowing at 5,400 miles per hour, 7 times the speed of sound. Temperatures over 1,700 Fahrenheit, 930 degrees centigrade. Molten glass rain, because its atmosphere is full of silicate particles that form glass, which gets blown sideways at hurricane speeds. Other exoplanets like WASP 76b are even wilder. It's so hot that iron evaporates during the day and then rains down as molten metal at night. So that was some mind-blowing